Welcome back to my tutorial. So in this video we are going to learn about like AWS CI/CD pipeline. So in this CI/CD pipeline we are going to like AWS has some like different resources where we call it as like the code commit, code pipeline, code build, and code deploy. So let's get into the video. So first let's understand what is CI/CD. CI/CD is something which is a manual AWS resource creation and deployment, can be lead to like mistakes. So we need a CI/CD pipeline because like which needs an automated and reliable deployments where like we push the code into the repository and developers will test that code, and that code will be deployed automatically. And also it supports different stages like a development stage, a test stage, prod stage with manual approvals. So this is about the CI/CD pipeline. So this is something which is an interesting topic we need to work on. So in this CI/CD pipeline we have a GitHub resource where this GitHub resource will be like used to store like our code as in a repository, and that code can be like kept as a private view or like an public view. I mean like we can like expose the video with the public view where everyone can access the code, and in the private view no one can access the code, so it's completely in private mode. So like we will learn about the code like github is nothing but the code commit in AWS. So let's get started. This is the simple introduction about the CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD is nothing but it's like an agile methodology which is like plan, design, develop, and test. So CI/CD comes with the same agile methodology. Now like the overview of CI/CD is like automates the deployment with the safety, and the components are like the code commit, which is the code storage, code pipeline, which is the automation from the code commit to the code deploy. Everything will be done by the code pipeline, which will be automatically run each and every of these stages. And the code build, which is used to build the code and test it, and code deploy, which is used to deploy code to EC2 instance. And also like we have code star, code artifact, and code guru, where these are some of the special features from like the AWS, which are like the advanced features in CI/CD pipeline. I mean these features these features like the code guru contains the machine learning algorithm and code at machine learning algorithm, in the sense like it will provide the outputs of the different stage in an where like it will predict what is going on exactly with the code, what we need to make, what changes do we need to make with the code. And also like the code artifact, it's a type of resource where we work on the code and we store the code, and again we work on the code, again we store the code, and it will store the code in different versions. So that is one of the advantage of the code artifact. Let's go through these resources in the coming slides. So the CI is like continuous integration, which is like developers push the code to the repository, builds like the server like the code build or Jenkins runs the test and feedbacks on the test results. And the benefits are like the early bug detection, which is the fastest delivery, and the frequent deployments of the continuous integration. And continuous delivery is like the software ready for release anytime, automated, which is in frequent deployments, shift from quarterly to multiple daily resource releases, and uses tools like CodeDeploy and Jenkins. The technology stack for like the CI/CD is we discussed it in the previous slides, which is like the code storage is code commit, which is a GitHub, and the code build is like the code build, and the other form of the code build, which is at the outside the AWS, is Jenkins. And the deployment is the code deployment, which is elastic bean stack, and the orchestration is through the code pipeline, and supports lambda, ECS, and on-prem services. Okay, let's